Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the ThePandaPhotographer. I'm an independent photographer, journalist, documentarian in the city of New York. And let's talk about price congestion in Queens, New York. How is it affecting the Queens Plaza and the Northern Boulevard areas? And as you can see, there's a big difference. There is way less traffic. Normally, this is colluded. People are just running red lights. People are not respecting the traffic laws. Even the traffic officers here can't deal with the situations. So, I'm showing you guys in real time in cinematic mode, 24, price congestion on Northern Boulevard. Now, this is getting access to Manhattan. So you have to get to the Queenboro Bridge, right? So we're on 41st Avenue as well. So keep this in mind. Let's take a walk. And what surprised me was the intersection over in front of me was less colluded. Normally, it is just jam-packed, full of mayhem traffic. And as you can see, normally at this time, there would be trucks, buses, cars, taxis, Ubers, and you just don't see it. So yes, there has been some effect. Price congestion did make some sort of effect on better. And mind you, this is way better. Now I can literally make this video without being scared or being run over by someone that's impatient and willing to violate traffic laws just to get to where they were going. You see it happen here a lot. People driving in the bike lanes. Always getting bicyclists hit. It's been chaotic this past summer. So ladies and gentlemen, you see the traffic. These people most likely pay for price congestion. But look how light and easy this is. Compared to what it was before, oh, guys, this is a miracle. This is like the noise also toned down just a bit too. Yeah, the noise. Ooh. It's trust me, price congestion did a lot of good, because this is the way how traffic should be run. I'm not saying that I do applaud price congestion, but man, I feel safer walking down the street now. Especially in this area. Look at this. This used to be packed. No traffic is moving. You do not need an NYPD traffic officer here anymore. Look at this. This used to be busy. Oh my Panda, this is like miracle in New York City. Look how free flow it is, the traffic. It's open. It's cruisable. You don't need to speed. You don't need to honk. You don't hear no one honking at each other. Look at this. Price congestion in New York City, Queens. This is Queens Plaza now. Has done and made a difference. So if anyone has any doubt, yes. This is going towards the bridge. Whoever's taking these streets are going directly over the bridge. They're the ones that have to pay for the price congestion. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I said again, I'm going to repeat myself. This used to be chaotic. And look at it. It's just quiet, cruisable, peaceful. This guy is able to turn without honking at someone, blocking the turn. It's amazing. It's amazing at the same time, but it does hurt people at the same time. It hurts small mom pop shops now. Restaurants have to increase their prices. Maybe some restaurants have to lay off people because of the price congestion. Because now they have to pay double for inventory because of that price congestion. Oh, there's a lot of negative effects behind this, ladies and gentlemen. And if you want to hear more about that, so subscribe, like, and share, and tune in. We talk about that in the next video. How about that? With that said, I'm the Panda Photographer. Please support the channel. Join my Patreon. If so, I appreciate you guys. Just subscribe, like, and leave your comments and thoughts. What you have seen here in New York City with price congestion. I am using my iPhone 14 Pro in cinematic mode and 24 frames, so I do apologize if the footage is a little shaky. But I'm gonna just upload this raw and uncut. That's how we do it, and this is how we do best. But please support the channel. There is a Patreon or PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. With that said, eat, seek, photography, videography, and repeat. See ya.